My name's Sam Lewis. I work for Cardiff Youth Service.
My name's Mike Tate. I'm the head teacher in Cardiff West Community High School.
My name is Jonas Ravelli and I'm a young person with Cardiff Youth Service.
Hi, I'm James Heelan. I'm the Principal Youth Officer for Cardiff Youth Service.
I'm Councillor Peter Bradbury and I work for the people of Gyfer, but I'm also the Cabinet Member for tackling poverty in young people.
What are the benefits of having youth centres based in schools?
I think it's really good because it means that we can work with the school in kind of making sure that we're supporting all the different types of young people.
When we talk about having them based in schools, actually this is a community facility that school is one user. Also then, you've got youth services as another user and different community groups as different users. So it's about using the facility to really impact upon the community and having a central space for our young people to come in after school, for them to feel safe, happy, secure and be engaged and learn skills is really, really important.
What is your favourite thing about the new space?
It's nice and spacious. I just like it how it's a lot of seating area and just like game spaces.
I really like how open it is and you can have like loads of different activities going on around you and still be able to see what else is going on. It's really bright, it's airy. I think it's going to be a really nice space.
What would you like to see more for the young people in this Cardiff?
I think more opportunities for them to access different youth clubs and different activities really.
Opportunities that give them transferable skills. So we're very lucky in Cardiff to have a youth service that focuses on young people's learning, and I think it's important that we think about the wider curriculum for young people outside of school and things that they can transfer into their lives, skills, knowledge, abilities.
How do you think that this space will benefit?
Well, I'm hoping that people will be really proud of this space. You know, they'll see it being used appropriately, they'll see our young people being engaged, they'll see that the young people then will have somewhere to go of an evening, so they won't be just hanging around unengaged around corners. They can come here, they can learn new skills, they can make new friends and they can feel safe and secure.
The first actual dedicated youth service space here since the Ultra Light Youth Club closed, so I think it'll be massively important for that. It'll give further activities about 2 or 3 nights a week for kids who are looking for things to do. It'll hopefully cut out antisocial behaviour. A lot of antisocial behaviour is blamed on kids not having enough to do. Well, now we've got this facility, we've got all the community sports clubs, we've got all the other facilities here at Cardiff West. It's a terrific opportunity for kids to get active and stay out of trouble.
How would you describe today's event?
Positive.
Superb.
Social.
Exciting.
Inspiring.